Hello and welcome to Ye Bhi Unbox. Today we are going to unbox briefs from the brand Finaki. So let's open it. So these three briefs I have ordered from the brand Finaki in three different colors. This is the first one. There is a card in the packet. Say hello to Comfort Finaki. A free Finaki awaits you. Well, they're going to give you something free also. To win yourself a free Finaki, all you need to do is share the pic of your package on your Instagram, use the Finaki for life hashtag, tag us on Finaki Life, DM us the screenshot to get your free Finaki. So if you follow these steps, so as they are claiming, like they'll be getting you something free. Let me open the second one. This is the second one, and this is the brief. So now first of all, let me try them on and we'll give you the review on this. How are they and whether they are worthy or not. And we'll be doing Seedhi Baat, no bakwas. So guys, this is the first one, yellow one. And the brief is undoubtedly very comfortable, very nice. First of all, let's have a close look of the brief. So Finaki branding is here on the waistband. And this is the front of the brief. And how it looks from the back is like this. This is the back of the brief. This covers your whole area very properly. And after wearing them on, I would say like they are very comfortable. And this is contoured pouch that gives you complete comfort. And this very cut, this very style is very comfortable when you wear it. And the cloth, if you talk about, so this is very soft cloth and stretchable also, as you can see. Stretchable also, 4 times stretchable. And this is like whatever briefs I have unboxed, this is the thinnest one. This cloth I have found the thinnest one of all the briefs that I have unboxed yet. How soft it is? Well, I have also found it the thinnest one, and the company also claims that their cloth is the thinnest one in comparison with other brands in the market. So this is a very comfortable Finaki brief. So this is perfect for all day long working. The people who have to keep sitting and keep working throughout the day, this is going to be very comfortable for them. So enough space for contoured pouch. So contoured pouch is exactly how it should be. What I felt the best thing of this brief is they don't have any extra tagging. Here there is a little print here giving you information of the brief. And the waistband from inside also very soft waistband. Cloth, as I have told, is extremely soft. And when I was wearing it, it was just like wearing nothing. Because of its waistband also, because of the cloth especially, and the style and color, the designing, the fit is absolutely alright. So in my point of view, like this brief is going to definitely give you complete comfort and it's going to be more than your expectations. So material is very light in weight. The company claims that their material has long durability. So this is the waistband. Very soft, very comfortable. The best thing I liked about Finaki is their cloth and then their fitting. Seedhi baat, no bakwas. I found this brief far better than many of the briefs in the market because of its first of all very thin cloth, and second their cuts, their fitting and their counter pouch. And now let's have a look on their different colors that I have ordered. This one is yellow. This is purple. From the front, and this is from the back. Their fit is exactly how it should be. Very thin cloth and stretchable. That's why, as I have already told, wearing this brief is equivalent to wearing nothing. This micro model stuff from Finaki. And now this is the pink one. Very soothing in color also. This is the front. and this is the back. Close. Stretchable and very comfortable. So सीधी बात, no bakwas, Finaki micro model brief is going to be more than worth. All the buy links you will find in the description. If you found this video beneficial, hit the like icon. If you have something to say about it, do post your comments. And still, if you are new to this channel, subscribe. ये भी unbox. See you in the next video. If you want unboxing of your favorite brief or trunk, do tell me in the comment box. I will definitely unbox that. See you in the next video. Take care.